recent decision of this government to freeze all recruitments is the biggest fraud on the Goan youth. This has got different angles. One angle is to stop its own MLAs and its own supporters from demanding any positions right now, jobs. Have they freezed this because there is no currency available to pay under a table? And the third point is whether they are increasing the price also. Now it is our information that in the last week before this announcement, plenty of appointment letters have been issued. Whenever they would like to issue letters for their own benefit, to fill their own pockets, they will issue those letters predated, early date calculated. I got information, I cleared my money. I keep only 710 rupees. How can anybody believe that a defense minister of this country, who is steeped in corruption, while he was chief minister, if you see the reaction, facial expression of Parrikar, he was not happy because he is not taking him into consideration in the important defense deals. 128, so आमचे start जावपाक 27. 27 to the start करीत. One day break on 3rd December in view of the feast. And it will end with a meeting in Margao on the 12th.